Hey guys, welcome back to our channel App Tutorial. Today in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how you can join a live on Yubo. So I'm gonna be teaching you a very easy step regarding this one. So if you have any problem or any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. Now without any further delay, let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is you need to go to your Yubo app and then log in with your account. Once you do that, you'll be over here in this particular platform. Now go all the way down where you'll be finding this 4 square icon, which is your live icon. Just go over here and here are a number of live that are going on. So as per your requirement, just choose one of the live. Just press over here. Let me just go with this one. And this is how you can join a live. So that's pretty much, guys. That's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I will see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.